Shorthand English Junior Model Question. Get ready? Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to say a few words on the Governor's address this forenoon. The Governor has given us an idea of the various measures to be undertaken by the government for the welfare of the people of this state. Many important subjects have not been included in it. Nevertheless, it contains information about a few schemes. I want to be brief in my speech. Let me first refer to the public distribution system. I think it is the duty of the government to supply all essential articles through fair price shops at cheap prices so that it may be useful to the poor people, especially to those who are below the poverty line. No doubt, the rich people can pay higher prices for these articles in the open market, but the poor people are now put to lot of difficulties. The government should therefore take such steps as are necessary to supply all essential articles to the poor people at cheap prices through fair price shops. I am glad to know of the schemes introduced for the welfare of the poor people. We all know how they have been suffering in the past. Nobody now seems to be sincere in helping them to come up in life. In spite of several years of independence, their conditions have not improved. Every party is interested in getting their votes, so they approach them just before the elections when they promise to do so many good things for them. But after the elections are over and they come to power, they completely forget those people. I am sorry, that has been the practice for so long. This state of affairs should not continue. I would now like to refer to the lack of coordination among the various departments of the government. There is the Public Works Department, the Highways Department, and the Electricity Department. For carrying out their respective works, each department digs the roads for laying pipes, cables, etc. After the work is over, they do not care to close the pits and make the road as it was before. So, the public and the users of vehicles are put to lot of trouble. Such kind of action must be avoided at least in future. Letter from Vani and Company, Chennai, to Messrs. Julie and Company, Erode. Dear sirs, we are obliged to you for your letter. As desired, we enclose a price list of the articles that we sell for your information. In this connection, we may tell you that we shall be prompt in our dealings. Our ready-made garments are very popular in the market. There is great scope for our ready-made dresses. We are glad to inform you that we have got export orders from America. The prices quoted by us is very less when compared with the others. The quality of our products are very high. Our business relations have shown that you are satisfied with our dealings. We shall be glad if you place your orders with us. The ladies and children dresses are very attractive and will suit to the present conditions. We expect your orders. Thanking you, yours faithfully.